Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's St. Patrick's Day, and this is the only green thing I own.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, it's St. Patrick's Day, and you know what that means. Corned beef and cabbage. But for some of us, we can't do the salt. So let me show you how to do something like corned beef. Tasting almost the same, but with no salt. Let's go. Hey, nieces and nephews, we're gonna do some lazy cooking. All right. I have a chuck arm roast here, which does have some fat on it, just like a corned beef brisket does. It's veined with some fat. I tried to get a corned beef brisket, but they didn't have any that weren't soaked in brine. So we're going to use this instead. I'm doing an experiment. I think this is going to turn out fine. If it doesn't, I will tell the truth and let you know. Now you're also going to need 1 pack of chicken bullion, salt free, okay? I'm going to put that in right over top of the meat. I've got 1 onion. I quartered up already, okay? I'm going to put that in. No rhyme or reason, just a nice medium-sized onion without the skin. Put that in. Then you're going to take some pickling spice. Now, this is the secret to the corned beef, is the pickling spice. You're going to put at least a tablespoon in, okay? Because this has got to soak into the meat. Oh, yeah. Because that's about how much you get in that pack, okay? Then, and I'm doing this in the crock pot, but you can also do it in a regular pot and cook it on the stove as well. Just make sure you cover it. You're going to have to cook it at least for 1.5 hours, if not 2 hours. Now, excuse me, we're going to pour in enough water to cover it about 1/2 inch over it, okay? See how that looks? And we're set. This is the spice that's going to make it taste like the corned beef is the pickling spice. Now I'm going to plug this in, let it cook all night. And in the morning, I can add a little more water and my cabbage, and boom, I'm going to have my corned beef. And then the cabbage cooks like within 30 minutes. So don't turn it off in the morning. Just add some more liquid if you need to, and add your cabbage. And it'll absorb all those flavors, okay? All right. Let's move on to the next dish. Now, let's make my spicy lentil soup I've been telling you about. Here we go. First, we're going to take 1/2 bag of these brown lentils. And spill 1/2 of them in the sink. No. But I did. Lord have mercy. I tell you. Now, you want to wash them thoroughly, okay? Because you don't want to cook a pot of dirt, okay? Just trust me, even though they come from the store and processed and all that, they're dirty, okay? So we're going to wash them real good. Then we're going to add them to our crock pot. Now we're going to add our lentils. All right? And we're going to add our spices. We're going to add paprika, Spanish smoked paprika. You can find this in the stores. Okay, just that much. All right? Maybe a little more. But not too much. Okay, maybe just... you know, Uncle Chris likes his spice. But for you, just 1/2 teaspoon, okay? I don't want it to be too strong for you. Then, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon. Guess I should have opened this up first before I started the video. I tell you, all my videos are starting to be comedies right now. add you half a teaspoon of red pepper, okay? Just a half, all right? Because even in the slow cooker, everything you put in is going to be amplified, okay? The flavors. Now, we're going to put in 2 salt-free chicken bouillons, okay? Now, we're going to put in just our teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon and a half of onion powder. Okay, that's probably a tablespoon because I'm heavy-handed. Now, let's put in some Old Bay seasoning. This makes the flavor of the soup, okay? We're going to put in a full tablespoon because it's going to make a whole big bunch of soup here. All right. I'm putting in a good tablespoon worth, okay? All right. Now, we're going to pour in enough water to almost come to the top. Leave at least an inch, okay? We're going to add some more ingredients. 2 things. 1 onion and some chicken. Let's put in 2 chicken quarters. We're going to put in 4 chopped onion scallions. And you know what, nieces and nephews? I'm chopping up 2 andouille sausages, and we're going to put those in there too. That's going to add an extra layer of flavor and spice to the soup. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes. Now, andouille sausage does have a little bit of a kick to it, but that's all right. We're going to put it in here and do it up. Nieces and nephews, should I be bad and put some shrimp in here? Why not? All right, nieces and nephews, I've got about 12 shrimp in here, a dozen. I'm going to put those in. All right. And you know what? Let me smell this. Oh, yes. I want to put just a little more Old Bay seasoning in here. Okay? Just a little. All right. Now, I'm going to put the top on this, turn it on high, and let it cook overnight. And in the morning, we're going to see the result. All right, nieces and nephews, it's morning, and I'm back in the pantry, the Uncle Chris pantry, and let's see how our mock corned beef came out. Taste testing our corned beef here. It looks delicious, and it tastes like a corned beef. This is the closest thing you'll get. Now, come on, let's check out that spicy soup. Let's take a look right now. Oh, if you could smell the spicy goodness here, be jealous. Be very jealous. Now you gotta tune in, because I'm cooking all this week, weekend, and next week too. It's St. Patrick's Day. Have some fun out there, but please be safe. Drink responsibly. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Oh, write me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. Hi, Joe. Hey, Salty Assassins. Hey there, Devra. What's going on? Thank you for being part of our family. Everyone. Okay? All right. Love you guys so much. Bye-bye.